around here, literally. My studio. Surprise. Start a mission. Finally. Alright, let's get the party going now that we finally got what we need. Let's go. Now, I don't have any weapons. Great. Well, let's see what we can do.
Mr. Vassetti? Hey, you bought the old Printworks?
Yeah, my old man used to work on these. I used to spend the evenings with him cleaning the rollers. I was gonna follow him in his trade, but I lived a different life.
You planning on selling the old machinery? Breaking it down?
I'm thinking we might print something. A newspaper, magazine.
Oh, crap, Sonny. Low-grade crap. I've always fancied printing money. It ain't too hard. You know, I've been doing it on a small scale for years.
Really?
Sure. But we need some good quality plates. Of course. There's a counterfeiting syndicate already operating in Florida.
A syndicate?
Yeah, well, just rumors is all I've heard.
I know a man who's good with rumors.
I'd rather pass. I don't need a cab, but thank you. Which way should I go? This way? If I pass an ammunition, I will get some ammo. Weapons. Nah, let's just wing it, see what happens. Gonna get to my Malibu Club. Hey, that's my other car.
alright, Gilks, you're lost, mate, innit? Alright, milk China. How's hanging?
What do you know about counterfeiting?
Oh, I'm fine, Paul. How about you?
Come here.
Ah, alright. You obviously a busy man. All I know about Dodgy Reddies is to try and supply the plates. You know, they've got a shipping company down the docks. The boss man would know when the plates are coming in next.
Thanks, Paul.
What's the matter with you, you maniac? Give me another drink, lively.
I need another car. Can I have another car, please? I got all that time, but I would like a car. Any car for now. Oh. Perfect car, thank you. Thank you.
Why are you doing this? Just ask nicely.
Sorry. I ain't got time for niceness anymore. Gotta go. Hope I'm not lost. Because I know I'm supposed to go to the docks. I think I'm on track now. I just got lost where the hell the docks were. I think I'm on track now. Yeah, here's the docks. I found the docks! Finally! Okay.